Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2019 Harris 240 Solstice. This particular boat is powered by a Mercury Verado 300 horsepower digital throttle shift, stainless steel ski tow bar, and a stainless steel boarding ladder. This boat is the very popular single lounger. As we come into the boat, a flip up, flip down armrest, the upgraded high back helm chair, Simrad GPS sounder flush mounted at the helm, total lighting package, tilt wheel steering, and JL audio upgraded stereo. As we come through the boat, it's going to have an in-floor ski locker, and with the upgraded JL audio, a sub, flip down armrest for both of the forward seating. And it does have spots for the table in the forward and the back. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Harris 240 Solstice. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.